It was a starry Thursday evening in Mumbai as the inaugural World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit lit up with the irresistible energy of Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone's eternal grace. Titled The Journey from Outsider to Ruler, the session was steered by none other than Karan Johar. A friend, a filmmaker, and a master of poignant prodding. SRK, in classic form, was equal parts philosopher and performer. With candor, wit, and a dash of his trademark swagger, he shattered myths, dropped truth bombs, and turned introspection into art. Karan kicked things off at the very beginning. What was the spark that lit Shah Rukh Khan's Bollywood blaze? Was it a hunger for greatness? Or was he running towards something, or perhaps away? Shah Rukh Khan did not flinch. Wallowing in self-pity doesn't take you anywhere, he said firmly. For him, talent is the only currency that counts.
I just first like to clarify, because there's a lot of discussion. Hunger, ambition, all these are lofty words, and it's wonderful to describe yourself and say कि हाँ मैं बहुत भूखा था, मैंने बहुत मेहनत की. These are lofty words once you have made it big, so I don't believe in them. I also have a problem about distinction of this insider and outsider. I think it is not important where you come from. It is not important कि आप किस जगह से आए हो और इस वर्ल्ड में बसना चाहते हो. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज आप इस वर्ल्ड में, या जो भी वर्ल्ड आप चूज करो, बिजनेस है, फिल्म्स है, पॉलिटिक्स है, आप उसमें अपनी जगह कैसे बनाना चाहते हो. व्हाट हैपेंस इज मोस्ट पीपल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, oh, I'm from the outside world, only the privileged will get a chance, I don't have such a distinguished background, I will not get it. So if you start wallowing in self-pity and thinking these things, you will never give your full force of energy to make a space for yourself in the world that you want to be part of. So, ऐसा नहीं है. ये जो दुनिया होती है ना, जिसमें भी हम घुसना चाहते हैं, थोड़ा इनसाइड आउटसाइड सब बात करते हैं. It's like a sphere. और sphere में जगह, actually let me also tell you, this world, whichever world you want, does not give a damn about you. It does not make you are very insignificant. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता दीपिका कहाँ से आई, शाहरुख कहाँ से आया, करण कहाँ से आया, ये फिल्मी है, नॉन फिल्मी है, गरीब है, अमीर है. But आपकी choice. So you have to find space in that sphere by pushing it and working hard, finding out how this world works, and then give your best to it. And जब मैं यहाँ पर आया था, I never thought I cannot be part of this world because I'm an outsider. I believed यही मेरी दुनिया है. And to be honest, everybody in the film industry from day one embraced me with open arms, like a new sun landing on Marine Drive. So I felt like ये दुनिया मेरी है, ये जगह मेरी है, because I believed this is the world I want to belong to. And I lost, I think in 24 hours, one whole family, and I gained a new family. So I think what is important is to believe you want to be part of this world, make those choices. Ambition, hunger, pain, problems, those are just lofty words. You just need to be determined. ये मेरी दुनिया है और मुझे यहाँ पर काम करना है. I had the ability, I had the skill, maybe a little bit. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, इतना talented नहीं हूँ मैं. But I had lots of hard work. And that's all you need to make a place for yourself if you're an outsider. Yeah.
The conversation then veered into more vulnerable terrain when Karan asked if there ever was a moment when SRK considered stepping back. Here, the charmer in him emerged. He recounted one such funny moment, even as he revealed how deeply he feels every misstep, not for himself, but for his fans.
The only time some years back, I was sitting at home and Karan Johar came to my house with a script. I won't name the script. And the script required me to be wearing a skirt throughout the film. That is the only time I wanted to step back. I said, यार इतने ऐसा तो नहीं होगा यार, मैं स्कर्ट पहन के पिक्चर में काम करूंगा. It was one of those films in olden times where men wore skirts. But men wore skirts, not androgynous men like me wearing skirts. So
It was the character, bhai. I think it wasn't anything.
वो कैरेक्टर के लिए तू खुद स्कर्ट पहन के खुद एक्टिंग करना जब तेरा दिल करे.
Where people would believe I could wear a skirt and do a film, I can assure you.
मैं पैंट्स में ठीक हूँ. But having said that, no, I've never felt the desire. Yes, whenever I failed, I have always felt the failure twice as much than I would, because I never do it personally. कि मेरी फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई, मेरा काम खराब हो गया. So I go through these pangs that I've let down lots of people around the world, because I know in 35 years बहुत सारे लोग बहुत प्रेम से, बहुत दिल में चाह रखकर मेरी फिल्म देखने आते हैं कि हम एंटरटेन होंगे, हम खुश होंगे. तो जब मैं गंदी पिक्चर बनाता हूँ ना, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मैं पर्सनली लेता हूँ, as if I have maybe insulted the trust that they have in me. So it really bogs me down. फिर मेरा एक मेथड है, फिर मैं रोता हूँ बाथरूम में लॉक करके अपने आप को, फिर एक दो दिन ऐसा दुखी हो जाता हूँ. But I've never felt that I'm defeated. I've never felt कि मैं गिर गया, अब उठ नहीं सकता. I'm very clear on that. कि दुख बहुत होता है, रोना भी बहुत आता है, परेशानी भी बहुत होती है. एक दो बार मैंने कुकिंग भी सीख ली कि एक्टिंग छोड़ता हूँ, शेफ बन जाता हूँ. लेकिन हारता कभी नहीं हूँ मैं. आई नो आई डोंट अलाउ डिफीट टू ओवरटेक मी. आई गेट बीटन, आई मे बी फॉल डाउन, बट आई डोंट अलाउ. सो no, I've never ever, I'm being honest, I'm not being pompous, I never ever feel defeated vis-a-vis my work. I feel bad that I have done it wrong, and bad that I never feel.
We look.
Karan, visibly moved, dubbed him the brand ambassador of resilience. And SRK, he smiled, turned to Deepika and cheekily borrowed a line from Om Shanti Om.
From Deepika in my film Om Shanti Om, I feel like the king of the world.
Talk turned to the pressure of being Shah Rukh Khan, a man expected to be dazzling, magnetic, and invincible round the clock. His response was raw and real, a rare peek behind the superstar curtain.
I don't know, I don't work for expectations. I don't work for any other reason. I only do anything that I do with lot of reality to it. मैं बहुत सच्चाई से करता हूँ. मुझे अगर कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती, if I don't like it, I don't do it. So, but I'd be very honest. I don't know more than being anything else as an actor. I love making people smile and make them happy. So when I come on the stage, I can be very shy, I can be very awkward, I am, all that. And that's why I love Deepika, because she's taller than me. So what happens is, when we go out to a party, I can hide behind her.
It's true. They're two awkward people, and then he runs behind me, and then I'm running behind him, and they're just trying to hide behind each other.
But there is no duality. It's very strange. मैं बहुत shy हूँ, but with hundreds and thousands of people, I'm very happy because I know I can bring happiness to them. But if I go to a personal party, I don't know how many people are going to get happy. मैं तेरी पार्टी पे आया. जैसे मैं करण को बोल रहा था कि जब पार्टी पे बुलाता है तो फैंसी ड्रेस पार्टी होती है. द थीम इज गोल्ड. कहां से लेके आऊंगा गोल्ड? द थीम इज शिमर, सिजल. तो ऐसा ना, देन आई फील वेरी मच लाइक एन आउटसाइडर, लाइक अ पेंगुइन इन अ जू, इन द रॉन्ग केज. सो तब मैं आउटसाइडर जरूर फील करता हूं. बट यू नो, व्हेन इफ आई कम टू योर पार्टी and I stand in the middle of the party, Karan has lovely parties, we all know. I come to that party and if I do this, वहां पे एक भी आदमी ऐसा नहीं है जो ऐसा करेगा. सब ऐसे देखेंगे, अरे ये तो देखा हुआ है, क्या कर रहा है ये शाहरुख एंड ऑल. तो ये जो प्यार है makes me want to do things for real people. So this is not duality. All of them are my own. At parties, बहुत बार करूंगा, यही तो आता है करना यार. और आता क्या? So, at parties, I meet strangers, known strangers. In public, I meet my own. So I don't feel awkward with my family.
Then came a heartwarming moment. How does he manage to be such a grounded, present parent?
I'll tell you, I think it's a line by a writer, a lady writer called Sue Townshend, or maybe I'm wrong. But I read it somewhere when I was growing up, and maybe because, I'd lost my parents, so it has some effect, but I don't want to go in the past. It said, the decision to have a child is the decision to allow or take a piece of your heart and allow it to walk outside your body.
That's so true.
So, I think, sir, दिल का टुकड़ा ऐसा ना मेरी माँ हैदराबादी थी अमा तुम्हारा दिल का टुकड़ा ना so it's a really a piece of heart walking out. मेरे पास 3 है एक बड़ा हार्ट है एक मीडियम हार्ट है एक छोटा हार्ट है छोटे छोटे पीसेस मेरे चारों तरफ घूम रहे हैं so I really feel even when you asked about the lonely at the top bit I just like to tell everyone जो यहाँ पर हैं जो जवान हैं जिनके बच्चे नहीं उनको मैं एक तरकीब बताऊंगा जो मेरी उम्र के हैं या जिनके बच्चे हैं उनको ये तरकीब बताऊंगा you will never be lonely if you can make your children laugh and those who don't have children if you can make your parents laugh you'll never be lonely so I think this is और मैं इतना फनी हूँ मेरे बच्चों के लिए कि मैं उनको अगर कभी डांटता भी हूँ या डांटता मैंने आज तक डांटा ही नहीं बच्चों को दीपिका को भी नहीं डांटा जब ओम शांति में बच्ची आई so when I say something कि अरे listen you have to sleep by 10 o'clock Mama has said this so what do they do oh my God SRK बेटे को हाथ लगाने से so they do all this so I am a joke in my house but more than a joke I think I make my children happy my family happy my wife happy and if you are young then just make your parents happy and you will never feel lonely in your life I think that's the trick.
And finally, when asked what he does when he's not conquering sets or hearts, SRK with that irrepressible grin said, I do nothing.
Actually, Karan, you would know it. Even Deepika would know it. They're my very close friends and I love them. They must have seen. I don't do anything. मैं तो बोल भी चुका हूँ मेरे बाप ने सिखाया था जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं मैं कुछ नहीं करता यार मैं कुछ भी नहीं करता एक्चुअली मैं घर के काम कर लेता हूँ अगर घर की सफाई हो रही है बीवी ने कह दिया कि वो कमरा खराब मैं साफ कर देता हूँ एंड ये जेन्युइन बात है मेरा बेटा बोल दे मेरी कॉपीज का कवर नहीं लगा हुआ आजकल तो कॉपीज भी नहीं होती या आईपैड को थोड़ा सा आप अपडेट कर देना वो कर देता हूँ मैं बहुत छोटी चीज़ें करता हूँ बहुत हल्की हरकतें करता हूँ या कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ आई रियली डोंट इंडल्ज इन ओवरवर्किंग ओवरथिंकिंग ओवरडूइंग आई एम इन अ मेडिटेटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड तो मैं ऐसे ही यार घर में बैठा हुआ हूँ व्हेन आई एम नॉट ऑन अ सेट आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग ऑनेस्टली मतलब ऑब्वियसली आई विल मेक माय फ्रेंड्स हैप्पी आई विल प्ले विद माय किड्स दैट्स अ गिवन आई वुड लव टू डू दैट बट बियॉन्ड दैट आई डोंट थिंक आई डू एनीथिंग यार एक हाँ मेरे को कल परसों ना ऐसा एक इंग्लिश वर्ड है ना मी टाइम ऐसा ना लोग बोलते हैं कि
yes, me time.
I really need some me time me time
क्या मतलब है मी टाइम का
मी टाइम का मतलब क्या होता है
But just before the curtain fell, he offered one last gem. Advice for anyone feeling suffocated by the relentless need to be visible in the digital age. It was sharp and vintage SRK.
So I would suggest to people that there is the desire now because of social media और इतनी सारी चीजें जो आ गई हैं कि everybody wants to be seen. हम दिखें हम इस दिखाने में अपने आप को देखना भूल गए we stop seeing ourselves so I would just tell everybody कि ये पाथ जो है films because I just know films is as difficult as easy as any other business it'll have its pitfalls it'll have its highs you have to just work hard diligently do your thing believe in your talent and your skill hone it as you go along don't let bad days bring you down don't let good days make you mad just like in any other business but the idea is this path is not a proven path a garden of roses This is not the path that is going to lead to success like nowhere else it does. But what you have to do is, instead of wanting to be seen, walk this path with diligence and keep walking towards you. Look at yourself. दिखाना जरूरी नहीं है, अपने आप को देखना जरूरी है. Understand who you are. Feel who you are from within. And I think that's most important.
For more stories from the world of celebs, stay tuned to Shosha.